Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Aussie Health Company non-toxic silicone enema bag kit. 2 quart. BPA phthalates free. For at-home water coffee colon cleansing. Clear color. Includes instruction booklet. The tips are comfortable, especially if you put a little KY jelly or coconut oil on it first. If you have the need for a portable colon cleanser, then this is what you should get. The carry bag it comes with is a little cheaply made, but the product itself is of good quality, but looks easy to operate, and love the bag it comes with, and that everything is silicone. Doesn't wear out at the same pace that rubber products do. Rubber material tends to crack with age, and exposure to chlorinated tap water. Well made, and worth the money. Came on time, and matter of fact before time. Was looking for a hard plastic white tip, so didn't see them at first. But what an improvement to those old red enema bags. THX. Great quality product. Love that it came with several nozzle tips, and discreet carrying bag. Es un producto muy valioso para mí, pues mis padres son personas mayores y necesitan de cuidados médicos en casa. Oh yes, 6 carrying bag, a nice, and professional looking, with a drawstring closure. The tip is soft enough for this purpose, and the tube and bag are made of really durable material. From the hook to the silicone bag, it seems easy to sanitize, and easy to hang. Perfect product for the job intended. No smelly plastic nor buzz, especially when holistic is your goal. Didn't like the tips provided, but other than that the bag is good. Tips too wide. Although it is annoying that all the tips are made of basic PVC with BPA, etc., and are basically sourced from the same Chinese factory as all the enema bags that cost half the price. It was fast to assemble and put away. There were no leaks, and the stop valve worked. The kit comes with a bag for storage, which is nice, so you don't have your enema bag on public display. Everything needed comes in a nice carrying bag, and is of good quality materials, and works perfectly. Always was a nightmare do the coffee enemas. This bag make it so easy for me. Great kit. Works great, and is perfect to get the job done. No issues with it at all. The clamp can also be a bit tricky to open and close, but once you get the hang of it, it's easy. The nozzle is flexible and comfortable, and best of all, the whole packaging is clear, making it super easy to be sure all nooks and crannies are clean and dry. The hose is a bit long, but there are instructions on how to shorten it. Totally helpful, and unreservedly recommended to anyone who needs this kind of health maintenance tool. If you require the services of an enema kit, this is definitely the one to buy. This enema bag is top notch. The flexible rubber tip makes insertion so much more comfortable. It's easy to clean, the tube doesn't crimp like the rubber tubes, and it's translucent so you can see exactly where the water level is. Also, don't fully open the clamp on the hose, as this sucker can feel a bit intimidating. Product is great quality, and like that the bag is see-through to see how much water is left in bag. 5-foot hose length is very handy, as is the natural curved tips that come with it. Grommet with a wide flange, or increase the amount of support in the hanger area via the injection mold. Has a stop that keeps water from going back to the bag, which is a great feature. It is also very easy to clean, but most important is that the insertion tips are very comfortable. It's a well-made product, and the fact that it comes with a bag is cool. The body of the bag is a thick rubber, so it holds the warmth if you're doing a warm enema. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.